Hey folks, Andrew here, Viking Electronics. I'm sitting with our 40TB-IP SIP Talkback speaker. We've got it hooked up today. I'm going to do a little bit of demonstrating. I've got Mike, our marketing manager, is going to field a couple calls for me. I've got our BTR3 remote. I'm going to press the center button here and place a standard call.
Hello?
Hey Mike.
Hey Mike. Hey Andrew. I can hear you loud and clear.
Let me adjust the volume a little bit here. So just up and down here with the remote, that's down. This is up. Try again, Mike.
Hey, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, actually you're pretty loud now. It's good.
Awesome.
Alright, I'm going to hang up on you and I'm going to show them the emergency phone call.
Okay, great.
So press the center button to disconnect. And I don't have them. And of course you can see the blue LED lighting when it receives a button press. So even if I'm not on a call, I can turn the volume up and down. So now to place an emergency call, and what you're going to hear is you're going to hear when I place this call, you're going to hear a pre-recorded voice announcement that we've got set up for demo purposes. Of course you can change this, but I'm going to press and hold the center button for 3 seconds. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. You see the blue LED start lighting up here. Place the call.
Emergency call from Hudson High School, room 321. To repeat this message, press star.
This is the security desk. How can I help you?
Mike, you sound like security.
Thanks, man.
That's good. That's good. So you heard that announcement too, Mike?
Loud and clear.
Okay.
If you'd like, I can play it again by pressing star.
Yeah, that's what it said. Awesome. Well, thanks, Mike. I'm going to disconnect this. And he hung up on that end, actually. So that is the 40TB-IP. The applications for this type of speaker are a wide variety. There's plenty of applications. It does have the amplified output and as well as a 600 ohm output, so you can power additional speakers and more powerful amplifiers. Actually, for more information on this product, I will link another video right up here, so you can dive in. Thanks for watching. Andrew, Viking Electronics. See you next time.